Today we're going to hill some potatoes. As you can see, we have our potatoes in these soft containers. When we first started, we had these rolled down and we filled them only about this high. But now the plants have grown, and when the plant gets to be about 8 inches tall, we mound up more dirt on those potato plants. The reason is those potatoes are going to grow from the stems, and we don't want to have any potatoes exposed to the sunlight. When they get exposed to the sunlight, they'll turn green and become toxic. So we want to make sure that those potatoes are always underneath the soil, protected from the sun. It's a real easy method. All we're going to do is fill these potatoes up until maybe a couple leaves are showing, and then we'll let them continue to grow. I'm also going to put some fertilizer on these potatoes. Today I'm using a 3-4-4 organic fertilizer, and you're probably already familiar with the 3 numbers, 3-4-4. 3 stands for nitrogen, the next number stands for phosphorus, and the third number stands for potassium. So the first number for nitrogen, that's going to give us the leaf growth that we want. And I'm not going to use a whole lot of fertilizer because I already have some fertilizer in this soil mixture. So what I'm going to do, it says to use 1.5 teaspoons for every 4 inches of pot diameter. So I'm going to just eyeball this, approximately 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to just put that around the plant. Now I'm going to start hilling dirt around it. This is compost soil, and we're just going to cover these plants up. As we do this, I'm going to bring the bag sides up. This will allow us to get that dirt all the way up to the top. There you can see we have our potato all covered up, and we just left maybe 1 inch above the soil. I'm going to put some straw on top to hold some of that moisture in. These fiber bags, they tend to lose a lot of moisture quickly, so it's important to keep some straw or something on the top surface to keep that moisture in for those potatoes. If you like information videos like these, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. And hey, check out our next video. Until next time, may God bless you.